You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you.
Welcome back, JB Squad! If you're new to our channel, I'm Jasmine, my little sister, Bella. Guys, today we're gonna be doing Fix This Slime Challenge. Even I'm out of breath from hearing you. But today, guys, is gonna be a little different. We're going to be fixing store-bought putty. And I don't know if you guys have ever seen this putty, but they sell it like at the dollar store. And it's kind of fun to play with, but the texture is horrible.
I want to see it because it makes it fart.
Yes. So here it is. It's like, okay, there's different colors, but ready? Hear this. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Oh, Jasmine! No, it's you.
No, it wasn't. It was Bella.
No, it is the slime. Oh, what's the JB Squad?
Oh?
Friend JB Squad? Whoa, okay.
I'm just kidding. Relax. Ooh.
You got some attitude.
You know,
And who do you think's gonna win? Me. I think I'm gonna win.
And you know what, girls? I'm not gonna time you today. Just because I know how hard it is to fix putty. I don't even know if you girls are gonna be able to do it.
I know.
It's really hard.
Guys, it's not like slime that stretches and pokes.
Why don't you take one out and show them how the texture is?
Look. First of all, look at it close up. It's like chunky almost, and it rips.
Yeah.
And look, you can't even click it. When you click it, it just like comes back up, and it doesn't make any noise. And also, guys, we're going to be using some ingredients, as you guys can tell.
Oh, you got some nice, colorful stuff.
Yeah, and we have little slimes just in case we need to mix it in, cause you know, it might help. I don't know.
What do you think about this, Bella?
She's like super scared. Dun dun dun! Hey, that was Bella. So, you ready, Bella? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, now it's time to fix our putty. So, Bella, which color do you want? Do you want orange, blue, or pink? Blue. Okay, I want orange. So, we're gonna save a little piece. Like we're gonna use half so we can show you guys like the difference, the before and after, because hopefully we can fix it. So I'm gonna use like this much. But let's show them the texture. Look, guys, it's like, it's so hard.
Let's see yours.
Your face looks so disgusting. I can
really
stretch it.
Is it clicky? Barely, huh? That's what I don't like about putty, that it's kind of hard
like,
to. Yeah. Okay.
So let's get our ingredients. Which slime do you want? This one. Okay. I mean this one. Oh, okay. You want both? Okay, and then what clay do you want? I think this one's yours. And I'll get these. This. I get these. We can share the glue and the lotion, and I'll get these 2 glitters. You can have this. Okay, so now that we have our ingredients, we know what it means. We have to start fixing our putty. So you ready? Yeah. You just split it in half? Okay. Ready? So I don't even know where to start. Like I'm like so stressed out. I'm like, what do I do? What do I do? I want to win, guys, because Bella's getting really good, and I'm scared she's gonna beat me. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That's mine. Hey, that's mine. Okay, fine. You can have it. Because I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna win. Whoa, that was a lot. Hopefully I'm gonna win. I need to take off my scrunchie and my Apple Watch. How's yours, Bella? Good. It's good? I'm gonna win. No, you're not. Guys, have you guys ever tried fixing like a store-bought putty? Because I've never. I think I have before, but like it was hopefully this time it isn't a fail.
You're gonna mix it in?
You know what? I'm gonna win, so I'm gonna put the.
You're gonna mix it in? Go on, try to mix it into the putty.
And see if I need the whole thing.
I think that will help with like the texture.
A little piece and see if I'm gonna go. Mine is starting to mix into the glue, but it's kind of. It's beautiful.
Fixing putty is hard, let me tell you. I've tried before.
It is pretty hard, but it's not hard enough because I'm.
Wait, is Bella getting better texture?
Wait, is that where's the putty?
She already mixed it into a piece of slime. And help with the texture.
I just mixed my slime in, and hopefully it gets better. Oh
so
no!
If you guys have like a putty at home and you have like a little tiny bit, like a tiny slime, and you want to fix it, that's a good way. That's a hack. You just mix it with a little bit of slime.
Guys, look! It is! My slime is I mean, my putty slime. It's everything. It's starting to work. Girl, so loud. How's yours? Does it still make gross noises?
I don't know.
No. Look, guys. I'm fixing it. And it actually stretches. That is so good. Look.
I'm gonna add some lotion. I hope I can fix this.
Are you not gonna help with texture too?
I'm gonna add some lotion too and see if it works. Did it work on yours?
I don't know. I haven't mixed it all in.
Ooh. Now it smells good too.
Yeah, it smells really good.
But
Because that's my cream.
Oopsie. Now I'm gonna add my clay so I can give it an amazing texture. Hopefully it turns into like butter slime if I can even open.
Oh, Bella, that's looking good. And it smells so good. The texture is really good. Is it clicky now?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I couldn't open my clay, so I decided to open it right in the middle. That's super smart. And now I'm gonna add it in. Oh, look how pretty that pink color is, you guys. Have you guys ever added in like clay or something into putty? I've
looks so
never.
pretty.
Thank you.
Let's see, Bella. What's going on over here, Bella? You need to add the rest of the stuff.
Yeah.
Or you're gonna run out of time.
I'm not time.
How are you gonna run out of time? She's like, I'm not tired.
I can't believe how much you were able to change the
I
texture
know,
so
look,
fast.
it's butter slime already. Guys,
So pretty.
I need to say
Can you
something.
open it?
Yeah.
I can't open it.
I can open it, I'll just pop it in the middle like I did to mine.
Here, I can do it. 3, 2, 1.
Ah, it's
I can't. Wait. I can't open it. It doesn't pop. It's not popping.
right.
Oh, it's popping on the other side.
I'm gonna have my food coloring now because I don't really like the color too much. It's too light, so. Whoa, that's a lot. Ready? Whoa! Did you see that?
I made a hole way in the middle.
Bella always goes to the little corner.
I'm just putting my sign there.
Oh.
Good.
Okay, mix it in. We want to see, girl. We want to see.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see that one too. Okay, I want to see that. I want to miss this. Wow, it looks like cotton candy, Bella.
Yeah.
Can I have a piece? Thank you. I
No,
love cotton
no,
candy.
no.
Oh.
It's slime. Are you silly or what?
Let's see yours. Ooh, that looks like bubble gum. Give me some. I love gum.
It looks like Hubba Bubba.
Yeah, it looks like
It
bubble
kind of
gum.
does, but mine is getting sticky, and I think I need activator.
You need activator?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go a second.
I have some.
Oh, okay. Thanks. I was gonna.
Here you go. Put it right here and show us how it clicks.
It's kind of sticky, so let's.
Look
Here you
how
go.
sticky it is.
Wow, Bella, that looks so pretty.
Oh no, guys! I better fix my slime before she wins.
Oh, was that a little rip, Bella?
No.
That looks so nice.
It's like cotton candy.
You need to add your glitter now.
I'm gonna make it marbled.
Oh no! What did I do? Oh, there it is. Look at my texture. Now it clicks.
Oh, so pretty.
Thank you.
Bella, yours looks so pretty.
You know what I need?
What? You're gonna add glitter next or those pretty sprinkles?
I'm gonna put some scent.
Oh, you do love scent.
Yeah, I don't get scent anymore, but she always gets scent. She's like obsessed with scent. She's adding some more activator because it's a little sticky.
Just like
And are you
this.
gonna be judging us?
Yes.
No,
I'm gonna be grading them. Great idea. What do you think about that, Bella? Should I grade these slime putties? You
No,
need
no,
help
no, no,
opening
no.
it?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna add some. I think you should add glitter first, so you can add that on top.
Yeah, it'll actually no, add that first. Okay, now it's a good texture, and I think I just have to add my glitter and my sprinkles.
Gonna move it.
What are you gonna add next, Bella?
Scent.
Scent?
Okay. I hope I do.
Oh, Bella! Oh, that's glass.
Okay.
I hope it didn't crack. Did it
No, it
crack?
didn't crack.
Oh.
Yeah.
It smells so good. What scent is that? What? Let me see.
I can't read so
You can read. It's lavender.
I'm gonna spread it out.
I just need some glitter. Ready, guys?
I can't believe how much you were able to change the texture.
Yeah.
It
Ready?
looks like
Wait,
actual
look
slime.
at
Swirl it and add my glitter. First, I'm gonna
glitter?
add some iridescent.
Oh, it smells so good, but I smell it from here.
Uh-huh.
And that looks so pretty.
And now I'm gonna add my hot pink glitter. It's so beautiful. Ready? Whoops, it's close.
Oh, that looks so pretty. Okay, Bella, it's your turn. Let's see.
I'm gonna put this purple glitter.
Oh, that looks so nice. It's like unicorn slime.
Now I'm gonna put this.
You add some pink.
Yeah. I'm gonna put chunky glitter.
Chunky.
I'm gonna put both.
Whoa! Oh, Bella, look at that. That looks so pretty though, Bella.
Wait, my sprinkles.
I need to add my sprinkles too. I have like little circle sprinkles.
You have like confetti.
Oh, they're little confettis.
That looks so pretty. I love it so much. And Bella.
Whoa.
Oh, that looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so hard to grade.
It's like unicorn slime and like bubblegum slime, and they're both so beautiful.
Okay.
I'm done already.
You're done?
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
wow.
Me too.
I should have timed you guys. That wasn't too bad.
No, thank you.
Okay, so let's see the before we stretch them. Let's see. So this is Jasmine's. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks like a candy or a bubble gum that you just want to eat it.
I know, and here was my before.
So that's the before.
And hear the clicky noises? And now. And it stretches.
Wow.
And before it was like, you can't even stretch it.
Wow, that's a big difference. Okay, let's see Bella's.
This is my before.
Let me see your before.
Ooh.
Oh. And this is your after. Wow, it's so pretty and sparkly. Let me see you click it. Wow, now you can actually click it. And can you stretch it for us?
Go ahead.
Wow.
That's so pretty.
Perfect.
She's like, I know I'm good.
Okay, so swirl them for me and let's see.
Okay.
Move this out of the way. Oh, this is hard, but let's see. Jasmine, for you.
Wait, you're grading them?
Yeah, I'm gonna grade them. So let's see.
Oh, I call mine
Very
bubblegum, by the
clicky.
way.
Very clicky. Very stretchy. A little tiny bit sticky, but not much.
It's your hands.
But I definitely like the texture because before the putty was really bad.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give you an A+.
I got an A+. Ooh, beat that.
I'm gonna get something. Then I'm gonna.
I don't think there's anything better
I'm
than
gonna
A+.
get A. I'm gonna get A+.
That's even a
Okay,
grade.
let's see. So this is Bella's. Okay, Bella, let me feel it. Wow. So clicky. Let me stretch it. Can you pull it for me on that side? Wow. It's so pretty and stretchy. It feels like butter slime.
It is.
Oh, it is? Okay, well,
It's
I'm
so
going to give you... Oh, I didn't see that. I'm going to give you an A+. Wait. It's a tie.
It's a tie. When will I win a challenge? You
Oh,
get
you're
good.
team purple, Bella? Let me see. Wow. So
Pink
pretty.
purple.
You girls did so good. I'm like shocked because I've tried to do it before and it's been a fail.
Yeah. And you guys can let us know what you think of our slimes in our community post because it's working. Woo! So you guys can comment.
You can comment for a shout out.
Oh yeah, you guys can give us some shout outs. And speaking of
What was that?
I do
It
not
sounded
know.
like a fart.
Ew, Mom.
Maybe you guys are
That
seeing the putty.
Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. We really hope you enjoyed it, and it's time for some shout-outs. So today's shout-outs go to Cassandra and Natasha. And we love you both so much, and we also love all of you guys too. So yeah, we really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we hope you all stay safe with everything going on, and we hope that our videos make you guys laugh and have a good time, although this is like a really hard time for all of us actually. So yeah, we love you guys to the moon and back. Remember to stay safe. Mwah! #JB Squad. Bye guys!